Hi, kitty cats. So, sorry, my brain just went for a minute. So, I'm gonna do my Boxycharm today for January. And I was gonna do something different today. I was gonna do a haul because I've had some things come in, and I was gonna do like my makeup and all that, and I'm just not feeling that great. So I almost did nothing, and then my Boxycharm came, and I was like, you know what? I'll do my Boxycharm. Like I'll unbox that for you guys, and hopefully tomorrow I'll feel better and we'll be able to do that haul and put on some nice makeup and all that. So today, this is just me. This is just how it feels sometimes to have an autoimmune disorder. Some days you just don't have the energy really for much of anything. And today seems to be one of those days. So, but I am excited to see what's in here because Ipsy now pretty much like lets you pick out stuff, so it's not a surprise anymore like what you're getting. Like Ipsy picks out like because I do the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and like they pick out a couple things, and then the other 3 items you pick out yourself, and then you can buy any add-ons if you want to. So I like usually know like what's going on with that. But Boxycharm, I don't really pay much attention to what's going on with it. So when it comes, it's like, ooh, what could possibly be in here? So, and please remember to share, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. You know, if you want notifications, hit that bell. And, you know, it really helps me out when you guys do stuff like that. And I don't know if you could tell, but like, I'm not at my, you know, I'm not at that level that I'm usually at. So let's see, what do we got here? So exciting. Boxycharm. Ooh, fresh start, it says, because January, you know. So let's see, what is in here? So this is Laura Geller. I think it's Geller, not Geller. I wanted to say Geller for a minute. Trying to see. High Definition Glow Illuminator Duo, Heart of Gold. Okay, there's the packaging. I have had other Laura Geller highlighters, and they're always been really nice, and these are very pretty. Let me try and show you that without the mirror. Very pretty. That's, yeah, you guys know I love highlighters, and they make really nice ones, so that's exciting. Gold. Okay, please close. Thank you. Okay, so, and that is, how much is that? That's a $33 value. I've already, like, you know, gotten back the money that I spent on this, so that's great. Dr. Brandt DNA Triple Peptide Eye Cream. I have so many eye creams, like, I might give this to a friend of mine because I have so many eye creams. And eye creams is not something that you use up really quickly. Like, because you use just the tiniest little bit each time. Like, I'm literally using a Tony Moly one in the morning, and then a Murad one in the evening. Yes, I use 2 different ones because I'm like, that's just how I do things. I don't know why I'm like that, but I am. And, I also have like 2 others that are sitting there waiting to be used, and now this, so I might just And you know what happens is, like, when you say, I've got too much of this, and you give, like, some of it away, then all of a sudden you don't have any of it, and it's like, where did all of it go? Do you know what I'm saying? Because I never buy, like, eye cream anymore because it's just, like, I get so much of it in these boxes. Okay, so this is worth $82. Dr. Brand is a very, very pricey stuff. So, yeah, I have a friend of mine that would probably like this. So I'll probably pass it on to her. But even though it's, like, super expensive stuff. But, I'm sure she'll appreciate it. So, what else do we got here? We've got Bali Balm, Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. That's another thing that I have a ton of these days. I have a ton of, like, lip balms. So, how much is this worth? Sweet Orange and Coconut, though, I'm probably going to hold on to this because, quite honestly, I love that. Like, I love coconut stuff and orange stuff, like citrusy things. So, it is $33 lip balm. There you go. I don't know. I might pass it on, though, too. Who knows what I'm going to do with it. Surprise, there's a lot of, like, skincare going on here this time, huh? Not that I have a problem with that. Ah, toner. That's actually something I could use. Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleansing Toner with Moringa and Papaya from Pharmacy. So let's pull this out. Of course, it doesn't want to... I ripped the box because it didn't want to come out. That's okay. I'm not gonna... Ooh, I like the packaging on this. It's very simple. I'm gonna... I can't really smell what it smells like. Probably because... Okay, well that's all we're gonna do with that for now. Because, yeah, there's like a cap on here of some type, and I can't get it open right now, so we'll worry about that later. How much is this? This is... This is a $28 toner. So, that's cool. I did need toner, so that's great. Because I always use toner at night. But I was kind of out. And now we've got like a little palette. There's always usually a little palette from Ciate, which is a nice company. I've got other things from Ciate that I've always really liked. Why? They make these boxes and stuff so tight that it's so hard to get things open. Ow. Alright, we're just gonna cut this box since it doesn't want to open for me. Come on. Ugh. Don't do this at home, kids. There we go. Come on out. Thank you. So, very simple packaging. Pretty color. The color. Oh gosh, I know my nails. I need to redo my nails. And some eyeshadows here. These are pretty. This could be interesting. There's some really like glittery ones here. Yeah, there's a lot of shimmer to these. They are very soft. so soft. That always impresses me. So, not gonna be able to do a whole look like I did last time, because December's Boxycharm had so much makeup in it that I was able to do like a whole makeup look. But I definitely could do my eyes and some highlighter. That could be fun. So yeah, this was a nice box. Not as nice as last month. Last month was like really nice. And I really enjoyed last month's a lot. But this month is nice too. There's a couple things like, I mean, these are great products, don't get me wrong. Like, and I still might keep this one. But this one I'm definitely gonna give away. But I mean, this is a very expensive product, and I'm certainly not unhappy. It's just I just happen to have like a lot of eye cream already right now, and so I'm like, don't really need it. But it's still a really great product, and my friend is probably gonna really appreciate that. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm like undoing, because we recycle, and you're supposed to like break down all your little even the littlest boxes they want you to break down. So I'm like breaking them down. Am I crazy? A little bit. This is interesting. That's different. Anyways. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And I know that this was probably not the most energetic video. So I hope you can appreciate those still, that, you know, I'm just not feeling it today. I'm just not feeling great. But hopefully tomorrow I'll feel better and can do that haul. And I gotta start doing my decluttering. I know. That is kind of giving me a little bit of anxiety. It's just, I have so many eyeshadow palettes this year because I started getting Boxycharm this year. And, you know, there's these little eyeshadow palettes usually. So there's a lot to go through, and making decisions about what I want to keep and what I don't want can be difficult, because I really love my eyeshadow palettes. And highlighters is even harder, because I love highlighter and I have so many, but I don't really want to give any away either, or get rid of any. But I know that usually I say that, and then when I go through, I'm like, oh yeah, I never use this one, and I never, you know, I don't really like this one. So I know there'll be some to get rid of, but it's still just like, do you know what I mean? I probably won't be doing nail polish declutter this year unless my daughter wants to do it, because she's really in charge of her nail polish. That's her area. Sorry I said so many times today. Sorry. I'm sorry for apologizing. I'm sorry for everything. I'm sorry that I'm sorry. Have a great day, and I'll see you again soon. Bye bye, kitty cats. Mwah.